Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to show you how you can remove the external um, recipient warning from your Gmail business Gmail account. So I've been getting this often with a new Gmail account that I have, and it's been quite annoying because everybody I deal with is external and I don't have any internal people working for me really. Like there's not much, so everybody I'm dealing with is external. So every time I'm getting this warning, so if I go into an email, for example, let's just see an external, so then I'll get this external thing that's over here. And on if I'm doing it on my phone, it's actually worse. So to stop yourself from getting that warning message for whenever it's an external email, all you have to do is you have to go to your admin console. So you're going to log into your Google Workspace admin console, and then you're going to click on menu. Menu is open already, and then you go to apps. You can click on Google Workspace, and then to Gmail, and then we're going to look for end user access. And click on end user access, and over here we're gonna just look to apply the setting to everyone. So we're gonna leave the top organizational unit selected. So we're looking for one for external recipients, and we're gonna edit that, and we are going to deselect that and click on save. And that's it. That's how you remove the external recipient warning in your Gmail. Thanks for watching. If that helped you in any way, please click on the subscribe button for more videos like this. Cheers.